Didn't follow the instructions. Back here with another pickup. There's two chains here, as you can see. One chain is supposed to be over the top. The other chain is supposed to be running along the bottom. I told the customer to please leave the chains how they are. So at the dump tomorrow, I'm gonna have to hand unload all of this. Fun stuff, right? They are going to be charged with a $50 inconvenience fee. So I'm going to save some time and skip me tarping this. So let's cut to the chase here. Just like that, all tarped up. Last walk around. Thanks for watching the video, guys. Hopefully more rentals to come and less office videos. But we are strapped down, we are hooked up. We're out of here. As always, guys, hope you have a great rest of your day. Thanks for watching.